In this video, we're going to cover the training center. If you look at the training center first, you'll notice that there's a couple categories that are built in. Let's go ahead and edit that. So from your dashboard, you're going to click on the admin management area. Obviously, you have your setup guide, but we're going to click on the admin management and click on training center. Here you're going to be able to make these edits. Now, these are just basic I guess examples that we put in for you. First thing I want you to do is actually delete these videos. We're just going to delete these, and there's a reason why we're going to delete these. It's going to create a little bit of confusion, but they're in here for a reason so that you, if you would already go there and click around just to kind of peruse and understand what the examples look like, it would help you. But now that they're all deleted, you know that everything starts right here with videos, because you're going to spend most of your time adding in videos. But what you do at first is you put in a category, and as you know by looking at the system, and I think what I'll do is let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and open up the training center so that we can look at this again. It says Introduction, Category 2. I'm going to go ahead and copy this and put it in another tab just for the sake of this example. All right, so now I'm going to go back to my dashboard, jump back inside of my setup area. As I said, you just basically find the training center. Okay, so now in one tab, I have the training center, or also what we call library, or you can call it university. That doesn't matter, so don't get confused by the titles, because you're going to be able to control that. And we're going to go to the category, and you see Introduction, Category 2. We're going to go ahead and edit that, and this is going to be, I don't know, Course 1. All right, and sorry, it always goes back. That's a little confusing. It jumps right back to the video area. We're going to go ahead and here and edit this, and we're going to call this Course 2. All right, now, again, jumps over to your videos. We just want to make sure you put in your categories and stuff. So if I go back over, let me refresh this, you'll see that this changed to Course 1 and Course 2. So you could make this Day 1 or Week 1, or you can make this just straight up sales training, retention training. If it was a gym, this could be fitness classes, exercises, workout of the day, etc. So when we toggle back to this, now you've established your categories. In the subcategories, this is the info that's underneath. So if I go back over to this and I click on Category 1, there's a subcategory and then another one, and you can do this as much as you want. So let's just say it was fitness classes. You could put Zumba as a category. You could put boot camp as another category, right? Or if this was in Category 2, we had videos there, if you had perused this before, because we deleted the videos. So just know that the idea is, what do you want in your categories? So we already assigned a few, and we're going to go ahead and delete those. Now note, if you did not delete the videos, it will not let you delete the subcategories. So just trust me that I just want you to just go ahead and delete everything and kind of start from scratch. And then that way you can decide if you want to have any information in there, okay? So on the categories, on the subcategories, you just put whatever you want your subcategories to be. So once you do this, now all you need to do is just put in your video. So now that you have your category, you can go ahead and put in your videos. And you just simply put in your title. You select your course or your category, whatever. Then you need to select your subcategory. Right? If you don't have a subcategory, you're going to have trouble. So this is something that is required. So I deleted everything. We're going to go ahead and add in anything really, just to put in your Course 1 subcategory. So you are going to need to put in something there. So let's do it again. Example, Course 1. example was our subcategory. We can put in a YouTube link or a Vimeo link. You'll need to put in a thumbnail. Let me pause. In order for you to have your thumbnail, you'll need to take a screenshot. So I did take a screenshot of the video that we had put in, and then just go ahead and type in anything you want here. So I'll just go ahead and put an example text and add video. So let's go back over to the training center and click on course 1. And we're going to see that this video is here. Click on it. It's going to show your example text. If you want to add a PDF for people to be able to see the content, you would just simply add in that information after you add in the video by clicking on the PDF. So click on the PDF. You can add a PDF if you want to continue to build out your courses. So by putting in your information and organizing it, you can put in all your different courses, subcategories, and just really get as crazy as you like with your layout of your training center, university, or what have you.